How to flirt with guys over text. To flirt with guys over text is way simpler than doing it in person. With a few simple steps and tricks, you can master this game. For today's video, I'm going to tell you 34 tips on flirting with guys over text to keep up your game. But firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. 1. Pick up on his cues before you go all in. 2. Spend some time gauging how you can flirt with him. 3. A subtle compliment is a great way to show you like him. 4. Say his name often during a chat conversation. 5. Tell him you were thinking of him to flirt over text during quarantine. 6. Ask him a question about himself. 7. Send cute gifts to start a flirty conversation. 8. A playful message will make him chuckle and have a little fun with you. 9. Keep it light-hearted and focus on non-flirty parts of the conversation. 10. Pick a fun topic and ask for his opinion. 11. Too many dirty texts are a strict no-no. 12. Discuss scenarios with him. 13. Tell him you had a dream about him. 14. Talk about his latest social media post. 15. Show off your sense of humor. 16. Emojis are important but not too many. 17. Send him a meme to get him laughing. 18. Invite him to hang out in a group. 19. Invite him to an event that you're joining. 20. Change up your greetings. 21. Reply to their Instagram stories. 22. Send a few cute snaps with filters and stickers. 23. Understand texting etiquette before starting a flirty conversation. 24. Don't let the conversation fall apart but know when to space out your responses. 25. Build mystery around you. 26. Play the "catch me if you can" game skillfully. 27. A flirty "good night" message can melt his heart. 28. Flirtatious selfies can be seductive and playful. 29. Incite curiosity is another way to flirt with a guy over text. 30. Demonstrate your uniqueness. 31. Make it twice as exciting by playing truth or dare. 32. Keep your text messages simple and short. 33. Avoid discussing anything too serious while maintaining a positive attitude. 34. Don't respond to every text he sends you within seconds. The key is to be creatively surprising without scaring him off.